Hey guys, what's up? My name is Siddhika, but you can call me Sid, and this is the second empty that I'm doing. Why? Just because I felt like it. I just thought whether the reaction comes or not, I've got stuff that I need to finish and I need to throw. So I was like, why not record it? So if you haven't seen my previous video, I actually just showed you all of my trash, everything that I went through before I actually discarded it and gave a full review. A lot of skincare was there. This is just some random shit. Let's start with skincare. So I finished this Nivea face wash for men. I have not seen its ingredients. I purchased it last year when the lockdown had just started and I was completely out of face wash. It's not been bad actually. It's actually been pretty decent. It's a strong face wash. It even took off my makeup, which I really liked. And yeah, if you're a guy, I don't mind recommending it even if you're a girl. Stop using marketing, please. Uske alawa, I don't know. I've actually not gone through the ingredients ever. It says it has licorice, vitamin C, E, B5, ginseng, glycerin. At least the stuff that I know might actually work. I have no idea. I didn't see any dark spots reducing, but it was not bad. It was a decent face wash. I enjoyed it. In the trash. The next thing actually is not an empty, but some of you who have hair related issue, because I had to show this. I am throwing this Head and Shoulders. Okay, this is disgusting. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm throwing this right now. So I purchased this Head and Shoulders thing and it caused a lot of acne in my scalp, and my scalp was just flaring up, and I also after that I ended up having a lot of dandruff issues. So what I used to solve that, this is not empty, but I used it like 3 times and I was golden. Salicylic acid and ketoconazole medicated shampoo. It's called Salicylica KT. It's an anti-dandruff shampoo and I actually liked it. It helped me quite a bit. I left it on for 5 minutes after washing my hair. Yeah, I would wash my hair once normally to take out all of the oil with my TRESemmé shampoo that I'm currently using, and I enjoy it. It's not causing any issues. And then I use this, and I hope this is recording, otherwise it will be devastatingly bad. Yes, it's recording. Anyway, another thing that I finished was this Mango Temptation perfume from Victoria's Secret. I actually wore this whenever I went to Goa. I've been to Goa twice, and also I purchased it because it was a very long story, but one of my friends from Amity, so that's like a long time back, had this, so I had to purchase it because I loved how it smelled. But anyway, I did not like it that much on me. Long story short, I finished it and I don't want any more memories associated with it, so I just want to get rid of it. Actually, something very interesting. If you want to remember immediately any place that you've been to or any trip or something like that, and you want to keep the memory in your head, buy a perfume. Alright, maybe a small one, maybe something you wear just for that place. Like for example, this is like a roller ball, right? So this is a roller ball from Stella McCartney. I have only used half of it. I use it very sparingly because it was costly as fuck and a friend of mine gifted it to me. But what I was saying is that if you just have one particular scent that, you know, like this is how much, this is like what, 10 ml instead of 250 ml. So if you have one scent, and plus this is like a perfume, this is a mist, so body mist is anyways much lighter. But if you have a perfume or a scent that you actually use in just that one particular place, you will start associating your memories with that scent, and scent actually ties in memories much stronger. So I still am not using Victoria's Secret's Bombshell. I haven't used it since I finished my masters, but I associate my masters so heavily with that scent that I don't even feel like wearing it. It's just like I just spray it whenever I want to feel nostalgic. I don't want to feel the nostalgia, so I kind of finish this. I also gave it to my mother. I'm like, Mom, bas khatam kar do, end mein itna sab bacha tha, like just finish it. So yeah, that's done. Continuing with me finishing nail polishes. Are they completely finished? No. Am I going to throw them? Yes. Are they taking up space? Yes. So I had mentioned in the last video about this is the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel in Truffle Shuffle. This is my 3rd bottle. I was so sick of it, yet you know what, jitna iske andar bacha tha, because it was like almost a full bottle, and as you can see it's like still very liquidy, so you can see through the bottle, because I was so annoyed with it that I just wanted to mix colors in. This is from Faces Canada Splash. I don't know, it's the color Sunny Side Up. Since I purchased it, it's been dry, it's been horrible. Like I hate the formulation of this. Whatever it is, it has been always horrible to use, and I don't know, I just cannot bother with this nail polish anymore, so I'm throwing this. Also, talking about bother, I don't know why it's not happened with this line. So the Sally Hansen Complete Salon Manicure line, I don't know, the brushes in this are still fine, but the brushes at least in the Truffle Shuffle from the gel line always become like this. Like, I don't understand why they have to fray, and then it becomes absolutely disgusting and I cannot use it, and I don't even feel like using the bottle anymore, so I just had to get done with it. I mean, this is still fine, there's no product left inside of it, or even if there is, I am so done with it, but I just cannot tolerate it. I don't understand. Okay, and the last one that I am throwing or is dried up quite a bit is Brick Wall from Sally Hansen's Extreme Wear line. I really like Sally Hansen's products. I don't know why, they just really are good with my nails. But anyway, I'm getting done with all of them. I am not buying from Faces Canada anytime soon, anything actually. I had a lipstick from them as well a long time back. Yeah, it was just too dry. Next, okay, this is the last thing actually. Oh, this is the second last thing. This is from Aldi. Actually, I got it from Amazon. This is a nail thinning lacquer, as I have a lot of nail polishes and maybe it carries for like a year or 2 years, 3 years, I have no idea. So this is like a liquid you kind of put inside the nail polish and then you shake the nail polish up. If it's like drying up and you're like, arey yaar, ek aur baar to laga hi loon main. So yes, I actually have this for that and it's finished. जब ये मेरे पास आया था ना, I don't know why it was already half empty. I got it from Amazon and it just like it works beautifully, but I just hated the person who shipped this to me. The seller did a horrible job in every aspect of it. Trash. Last thing, okay, this is from Etude House. I don't know for how long I've got this bottle. So this is the Face Blur SPF 33 PA+++ smoothing pore hiding and tuning up primer. I used this I think 15-20 times, and then after that I realized it's kind of expired because I did not use it. I don't know why, what was with this. Maybe it was the texture, maybe because of the SPF, it made me completely like Casper the Ghost. I just could not use this product, so I used it as the body thingy because I had to finish it and I knew the SPF is going bad and everything about it was just going. Even though I like the fact that this has an airless pump, मतलब basically ये जो pump है वो नीचे से ऊपर product को push करता रहता है, so the product remains fresher longer or the ingredients are better longer. But yeah, I'm just done with this. Oh, I still have more stuff. Okay, so this is from Nykaa. Is the Sicilian Sweet Pea Wanderlust body butter. I do not mind it actually, to be very honest, but my mother hated it, and if you have dry skin, this is going to be not great for you. It doesn't really moisturize or keep moisture in your body locked for a long time. It's just like a nice smelling body lotion. It wasn't, does it say? Yeah, so if you want like hours and hours, like 2 or 3 hours, it will help you if you got dry skin. But if you got normal skin, you can definitely use it. Or if you got normal to oily skin and you just like the feeling of a body butter, it's good. Not for people who have dry skin. Do not expect it to moisturize you. Trash. Next, okay, this is a very weird thing. I actually hoard perfume bottles dibbe. Why? I have no idea. I actually kept my perfumes in the dibbe and then I realized I was not using the perfumes because they were in the dibbe. So I am throwing the dibbe, but I have to show you before I throw it. So this is the Givenchy Play Eau de Parfum. So this is what the bottle looks like, and I actually really love this. Yes, for her. I actually really love this. This is also something that when I'm going out for a date, let's say, I would love to wear this when I go out, whenever the pandemic gets over, if it does. But it's very strong. It's very strong. It's something that I actually don't wear out for a date as much. So if I'm, let's say, going out for a meeting in the night and I want to smell like nice, but I don't want to smell sexy, I actually wear this. If I want to smell nice and sweet, I wear this, but it doesn't last. So you have to spray quite a bit in order for it to last. Then even it doesn't last. But I really like the scent of this, and it lasts a long time. But it's very strong. Like, it's super strong. And now I just wear it whenever I have to go outside in a professional capacity in the night. It says like a grown-ass woman. I'll put the notes on the screen. But yes, I'm throwing this dibba. पता नहीं perfume इसमें कितना है? It's a opaque bottle. आधी से ज़्यादा तो होगी देखो. I have no idea. Anyway, next I have Versace Bright Crystal. This is amazing. Like, this particular perfume, I don't know why. The EDT and the EDP versions I've heard are different. So EDT basically has more water. EDP is supposed to have less water in it. There's more oil concentrate. This is how the perfume bottle looks. I love this. Whenever I'm actually going out to work, I love wearing this in the daytime. It smells so nice, and the longer it's on me, I just love how it smells. Anyway, I'm throwing the dibba of this. I just had to show it to you. Dibba out. Done. Okay, so yes, that's about it. If you guys want me to talk about perfumes at some point, let me know. I shall do that as well. This is my end of May kachra. If you guys want me to show my kachra also next month or whatever I can try to show as kachra, let me know. Oh no, wait, I have another thing. वो उधर रखी थी पता नहीं क्यों. So I have got a really nice car. Okay, I don't know if this actually helps or not. It's supposed to, but it doesn't seem to be doing its job. I don't think so I'm even applying it correctly or as much as I should be. So let's just pretend like I know what I'm doing and I'm applying it where I need to be. So I got this really bad scar, and I've purchased a new tube of this. This is the Opexa Advanced Scar Treatment. So essentially it's supposed to help lighten scars. I'll let you know, I have a whole tube left, a new one, that too. So I hope this works. I'm going to apply it like 4 times a day religiously, and next time when you see me, if you can tell if my scars lighten or not, let a girl know, okay? Anyway, that's about it. That is my monthly empties for this month of May. And yes, let me know if you guys enjoyed this. I shall do it next month too. If you guys enjoy it, I will also incorporate other stuff. Yeah, I don't have anything else to say. Okay, bye.